Hello everyone, today I will show you how to know if the image is copied from the internet. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So in order to know if an image is copied from the internet, you need to have the picture in your phone, and then second, you need to have Google app downloaded. Once it downloaded, you can open the app. So basically, you have to click on the yellow icon button, which open your photo gallery, and there you will be able to add the photo that you want to check into here, and you just have to click on search, and Google will be able to identify if the image is from anywhere on the internet. I don't really want to click on the button right now since I don't want to show my personal photo, but this is how I would use in order to know if the image is from the internet, just by clicking on the yellow button.